I think empowerment in general kind of just means like not just like feeling valued and feeling useful because of your experiences, and like instead of being brought down because of certain experiences, they kind of like make you stronger and stuff like that. I think it's kind of like a state of mind that you have about like yourself and like your experiences. I don't think like empowerment, I don't think you can really, or I don't think I've really felt empowered at one specific time. I feel like it kind of is like a ongoing sort of feeling. Like being in college and being about to graduate makes me feel empowered, and living on my own and being able to pay my own bills makes me feel empowered. I've never really had a moment where I'm just like, I'm empowered. I think it's a steady feeling that I have. A lot of it is like positive female role models in my life. So people like my mom, who's super just, she can do basically anything. She's a workaholic, she works all the time. So looking at her, I work in the LEAD, I work for LEAD at Champlain, and the entire program is basically run by women. So looking at that is always something that really empowers me. And there was a professor here last year that taught one of my core classes. Her name is Rula, and she was amazing. She's from Jordan, and she really taught me that you don't have to follow like a guideline to feel empowered as a woman. It kind of comes from you, and because she comes from the Middle East where women have a different status, sometimes you can consider it lower, sometimes you just consider it different. Her version of empowerment for women is a lot different than ours, and she really taught me that empowerment is more about you than it is about other people. So I think she's been really one of the biggest inspirations for me since I've gotten here, as opposed to like just family and friends and stuff like that.